Welcome back. MHADEI Tribunal team cut short and wound up its Bhandura inspection trip within few minutes on Thursday. Proposed Bhandura project falls under reserve forest. Quoting Tribunal team sources said there was no need for any further inspection as the project can't come up. Also, local panchayats at Khanapur have strongly opposed the project. Tribunal will visit and inspect Super Dam area on Friday. The team has already wrapped Karnataka officials on Khalsa, Haltara and Malaprabha projects.
MHADEI Tribunal team visited Bhandura project in Khanapur Taluka on Friday. Team wrapped up their inspections within 5 minutes. Team members said that there was no point in further discussions or questioning as Bhandura project comes under reserves forest. Meanwhile, locals from various panchayats from Khanapur Taluka have opposed Bhandura project.
शेती गेल्यानंतर परत जंगल पुढे जाऊन सगळं हे होणार.
कर्नाटक हा आमच्यावर अन्याय जाणूनपूर्वक करतोय आणि जास्त म्हणजे आम्हाला हा नकोच आहे मुळापासून. कारण का आम्हाला शेतीपेक्षा जंगल संपत्ती जी आहे ना ती वाचवायची आहे. प्रकल्प राहिला तर ह्या पुऱ्या तालुक्यालाच त्रासदायक आहे.
आम्ही गेलो जाणार सर्वे करून काम तिथं मग आमच्या भात जमिनीत कायदेशीर काय झालं तर आम्ही प्रायव्हेट सोडून द्यायचं.
Environmentalist Rajendra Kerkar spoke to us on the tribunal's Bhandura trip.
सरकारी जंगल क्षेत्र आसा आनी दोन्ही प्रकारचे हांगासर जंगल क्षेत्र असल्या कारणान हो प्रकल्प तांकां घेवपाक मातशें आडमेळ निर्माण जाल्ले आसा. हे उदक व्हरता आसतना तेंच्यांनी एक विचार तांकां जाल्लो आसा की आमी राखीव जंगल क्षेत्रान एखादो प्रकल्प उभारपाक सोदता तेन्ना त्या प्रकल्पा खातीर राखीव जंगल क्षेत्र जे आसा ते नष्ट करपा खातीर तांकां परवानगी जाय आसता आनी ती केंद्रीय वन आनी पर्यावरण मंत्रालयान अजून मेरेन तांकां परवानगी दिवंक ना.
Team will visit Super Dam on Friday. Uday Parab for Prudent.
AADMI party is getting set, aiming at a Delhi-like wave of political change in Goa. AAP has decided to open party offices across Goa and has asked support from the people. AAP held its maiden public meet on Azad Maidan on Thursday to declare future plans in Goa. The party has asked for like-minded leaders to step forward and fight the upcoming Lok Sabha election. Dinesh Waghela says Goan voters have higher morals. They are smart and the situation is more conducive for AAP in Goa than Delhi.
तो जो कोई साथी इस तरह से सहयोग करना चाहे तो मुझे लगता है कि सबसे पहले हमें ज़रूरत है एक ऑफिस की, फिर हमें ज़रूरत है ऐसे कुछ वॉलंटियर की. गोवा में ये सबसे जल्दी हो सकता है क्योंकि आज भी मैं देखता हूँ कि गोवा के अंदर मॉरल वैल्यूज जितने आज भी गोवा की जनता में गोवान समाज में है इतना देश में शायद कहीं भी नहीं है.
मोठे मोठे पॉलिटिशियन्स गरबगडीत चालले आसात कित्याक लोक उभे रावल्यात. आम आदमी उबो रावला. हांव अजूनपर्यंत आम आदमीचो मेंबर जावंक ना तेंय सांगता. हांव बीजेपीचो कार्यकर्तो आशिल्लो. बीजेपीक गेल्ली जवळजवळ 20-25 वर्सां हांवें सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा. हें जें पळय इतलीं वर्सां राजकारण चल्लां ताका विटलेलो मनीस आसा. कारण म्हाका दिसता की आमी जे ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह म्हणून उबे करता ते फाल्यां तेच करतात.
कोण कोणा भिना म्हळ्यार सगळे लेवलाचेर मास करप्शन जालें. म्हाका दिसतालें की पर्रीकारा लोक भिताले म्हणून, पूण आज सांगता पर्रीकारा लोक भिना तेजे फाटल्यान कारण आसा. 2001 जेन्ना पर्रीकर चीफ मिनिस्टर जाल्लो गोंयचो तेन्ना पर्रीकर वॉज अ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर कम पॉलिटिशियन. 2013 परिस्थिती बदललेली आसा. आज पर्रीकर पॉलिटिशियन फर्स्ट मागीर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर जालेले आहा.
जेन्ना ऑपोजिशन आसता तेन्ना एज्युटेशन करतात. तुमी पळयलां आसतलें कॅजिनोची एज्युटेशन जाल्लें 3 वर्स पयलीं आनी मागीर पावरा येतकीर मागीर कितें केलें कॅजिनोचें तेंय तुमी पळयलां.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that Supreme Court should rethink on its order to register every complaint as an FIR. Parrikar said that the image of a person gets destroyed the moment FIR is registered, no matter even if the accused is acquitted later. Chief Minister made this remark during foundation stone laying ceremony of new High Court complex at Porvorim. Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, Justice Mohit Shah, laid down the foundation stone.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar feels that the apex court should rethink over the order of the Supreme Court to register every offence as an FIR. Parrikar said while delivering this order, the Supreme Court did not realize the fact that the image of a person gets destroyed the moment an FIR is registered.
File everything as a FIR. The only problem is in India, the moment an FIR is filed, your image is gone. Your image is gone. You may fight it out, you may win the case. So the full concept, the law I know, I understand that.
Speaking on the occasion, Chief Justice of Bombay High Court Justice Mohit Shah said both judges and lawyers needed to be more accountable and transparent to fulfill expectations of the litigants.
For this purpose, we must not keep our system immune from public criticism. Decision in the courts of law may go one way or the other, but the process of reaching decisions must ensure that the litigants feel satisfied that our system is based upon values of independence, impartiality, integrity and justice.
Government has set a target to complete new High Court complex within 18 months. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Ferrari for Prudent.
Goa's first Chief Secretary J.C. Almeida has claimed that the then Chief Minister Pratap Singh Rane forged the fiscal report for claiming statehood for Goa. It was done in connivance with late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. J.C. Almeida said that politicians showed proactiveness in getting the statehood for their own vested benefits and power. Meanwhile, Pratap Singh Rane has slammed J.P. Almeida. He cleared that the statehood was a collective decision including people's participation. Almeida should have objected then and not now.
That this is not a proper, I told him this is not proper time to have this sort of change.
Then CM was Pratap Singh Rane.
And what happened, he arranged his men in the statistical department to prepare a fake report and gave to the Prime Minister.
When we contacted opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane, he lashed out at J.C. Almeida. Rane cleared that statehood for Goa was people's decision, people's choice.
This is a fake statement. A person whom I consider as a responsible person to make such fake statement. Then why is he talking after so many years? He could have talked then itself. It was the aspiration of all the Goans to have a separate state. And because of that, we had a opinion poll also. Of course, so many years we ran the government without much difficulty with all the development that has taken place. It is only because of the now closure of mining and other things there is difficulty. Otherwise, there was no difficulty then. So, the statement made is the most irresponsible statement.
Another leopard died in the trap set for wild boars in Satari. Female leopard was found dead at Brahmakarmali on Thursday morning. It got strangulated to death after getting trapped. Just a day before, a male leopard had died similarly at Morle in Satari. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.